Welcome to Melbourne. Melbourne is the Australian capital of vegan food, so we can't wait to show you around. We're going to stay here 3 days, so we have plenty of chances to find the best vegan eats around Melbourne to show you if you are going to traveling here in the future. Our apartment is really close to Fitzroy. Fitzroy is a Melbourne suburb and it's really famous for his clubs, restaurants, cafe, delis, of course all vegan. So we have taken advantage of this for our brunch today to visit a really famous deli, which is Smith's Deli. We've got Assalamu alaikum, yum yum, and this is Parmageddon. I love it. Oh my god. Yeah, good. Come here now. Melbourne is not just heaven for vegan food, it's also a city that offers so many options if you love art, not just street art, but also museums, exhibitions, and that's where we're going now. Today we are visiting an exhibition inspired to Alice in Wonderland, so we're very excited. Hopefully you will join with us. We are at the end of our first day in Melbourne already, a day of eating and art visiting, and then after that we had dinner at the veggie bar. It's the first time we tried this place and we actually liked it a lot. Bit expensive, but it's something that we expected anyway. Fitzroy is full of vegan spots and we are trying to get into as many as possible. We had gnocchi tonight and the jackfruit taco, that was very good. So now it's time to bed and tomorrow we're gonna have a full day of eating again. Of course I'm gonna get so fat, and a little bit of activism. So good night, see you tomorrow. Officially the best thing after an official animal rights march? Food! If you are in the city center here in Melbourne, you have to come and find these guys because they do jaffles. Have you ever heard of them? They look like toast, but yeah. Bolognese.
This is one of the best thing ever. If you need a snack, I could eat like 100 of these, easy. It's a new day in Melbourne and we are still at Smith & Daughters. So apparently we've spent the night here. No, I'm joking. Last night we were here for dinner. And I remember, if you come here on a Friday or on a Saturday night and you want to eat at Smith & Daughters, and you have to, remember to book, because it's always fully booked, and we managed to have dinner like at 9:30, 10 p.m. So if you want to come earlier, remember to book. What have we eaten? A lot, as usual. We have tried the focaccia ripiena and carpaccio. It really tasted like carpaccio. I don't know how they do that, I really don't know. And pasta with funghi and marsala. As you can understand, the menu is Italian inspired, so it's like going back home in a way. And then we couldn't miss the dessert, and we had the Vesuvio cake. They actually flamed it in front of us. It was really nice. So we decided to come back here in the morning for brunch because that wasn't enough. And today we had breakfast pizza. I know I had to reconsider savory breakfast in these days, because usually I'm more like a sweet breakfast person, but you can't here. It's just so good. So breakfast pizza and potato skins. I know it might sound weird, but we had 2 bowls of it. It was so good. And then tiramisu. So now we are ready to go to the worldwide meetup, Cube of Truth. Anonymous for the Voiceless has organized for today a worldwide meetup in 4 continents. For Melbourne, they have organized 7 cubes at the same time around the city, and we're going to check them out in a minute. Our last day in Melbourne. We are starting like this. Yesterday we were really tired, so I'm sorry we don't have a lot of footage about last night, our dinner. We were so tired after the cubes. This morning we are ready to start the day, and we visited Mr. Nice Guy's bakery. It's a bit out of Melbourne, but it's totally worth the ride. Yes. We are going to Brighton Beach. This is the famous Brighton Beach, and these are the very famous Brighton Beach boxes. We really would like to recommend to come down here and visit this place. It's really particular. It's only like half an hour by train from the CBD of Melbourne, so it's not even that far. And you can have a nice walk on the beach, have a look at all these little houses, and if it's summer, you can of course have a swim as well. And then really close to here there is St. Kilda, which is another very famous place here around Melbourne, where you can have delicious vegan food, of course. Stop in St. Kilda, Sister of Soul. First time we try it, and we definitely have to give a thumbs up to this place. We had burgers with jackfruit, we had dumplings, we had polenta chips. The menu offers so many other things. So if you're planning to come to Melbourne, plan a stop in St Kilda and plan lunchtime and actually also dinner time at Sister of Soul. Thank you as always for following us. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos coming up, not just about traveling, but also about activism, recipes, vegan stuff. We also have Facebook page and Instagram page, Vegan Travel Diaries, and a blog, vegantraveldiaries.com. Thank you. See you next time.